Now, one of the questions a lot of people have about today's announcement is whether it is safe for children to head back to school in the fall. Hear more with some of the answers and reaction from pediatricians is health reporter Stephanie Stahl. Stephanie.
Well, it depends. The safety of schools for children, teachers, and staff depends mainly on the level of COVID-19, if it is spreading or stable. Currently, Philadelphia is in pretty good shape, but that could change. And that's why the safety of children going back to school is complicated. I talked to a doctor at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia who is an expert in pediatric infectious diseases.
We have children who seem to be less likely to get infected and less likely to become ill when infected. And that appears to be true. But less likely doesn't mean that they won't get infected. And they can bring virus home to their families, many of whom may have individuals who are at high risk of having an adverse experience with an infection.
Would you feel comfortable sending your children back to school?
That's an excellent question. I think the answer is yes, but. And the but would be, am I able to coach my children to understand how they can contribute to making sure that their school, their friends at school, and their teacher are kept safe?
Is it realistic to think that children are going to follow safety guidelines of wearing masks, of social distancing, things like that?
I think that we're now into probably month 5 in Philadelphia of living this way. And I suspect that almost all children have begun to adapt to this new way of interacting with members of the community outside their family.
Now, the American Academy of Pediatrics says the goal should be having students physically present in school, but that all depends on them being able to stay safe. We will have more on all of this and how parents should be getting their children ready coming up later today, starting at 4. Janelle?
A lot of concern from parents and guardians for sure, Stephanie. All right, thanks for that. And stay with CBS 3 Eyewitness News for continuing coverage of the Philadelphia School District's plan to reopen in the fall. We have that complete plan for you posted on our website, cbsphilly.com, and you can always get updates on CBSN Philly.